Hello TK! It's time for our first fine motor lesson this week, and we're back to our tradition of working on our names on Monday. Okay, so you'll need your mat with your name on it. You will need your handwriting without tears board. You're also going to need your 2 foam pieces and in a container with water. You dig inside your materials bag, you'll find this sock right here, and inside the sock you will find another marker. Okay, so you'll need that, and you'll need chalk, plus you will need a rag of some sort. Okay, all right, so once you've collected all your materials, come on back. All right, so we've been working a lot on your names. I think by now you are able to look at your name, or should be able to look at your name, and figure out the different parts that make the letters in your name. For example, we're working on the letter B this week, right? The letter is B, the sound is B, B, B. So if I look at my letter B, I notice that there are 3 parts to make my letter B, right? I need a long straight line down. I need a small curve that starts at the top and reaches the middle of my straight line, and then I have a 3rd piece, which is another small curve that starts from the middle to the bottom of my straight line. So my B has 3 parts. Okay, so what Miss Boo wants you to be able to do is, when you look at your name, I want you to be able to break the letters in your name into the different pieces that you need. Okay, so today we're going to be writing our name using marker, using our foam pieces and water, using our chalk. Okay, so first we're going to do it letter by letter. So I'm going to take out my marker and I'm going to trace 1 letter at a time. I'm going to trace my M, and I'm going to tell myself the piece that I'm tracing. Okay, that's a straight line down, and this is a straight diagonal line down to the middle, and this is another short straight diagonal line from the middle to the top, and that's another long piece, right? So my M has 4 pieces, but they're all straight lines, no curves. So I'm going to trace it again. Okay, there we go. How about 1 more time, just to work on that muscle memory. Okay, when you're done with that, make sure to cap it. Make sure it's nice and tight with that click. Okay, then you're gonna come over here to your board, and you're going to write your letter, your first letter, in with water and your foam piece. So I'm going to write my M, and I'm going to remember that my M has 4 pieces, right? A straight line down, a short diagonal line to the middle, a short diagonal line from the middle to the top, and another straight line down. And I'm going to do it 3 times. Okay, muscle memory. I'm gonna try and see each time if I can write it faster than the first time. It's pretty good, huh? Okay, then I'm going to erase it. Okay, and now I'm going to work with my chalk. So I'm going to take my chalk out. Okay, and I'm going to see if I can remember how to write that letter. So 4 pieces, straight line down, short diagonal line, short diagonal line, straight line. Ooh, that's a beautiful M. Isn't that a beautiful M? That sure is. Okay, I'm going to write it 3 times. Okay, so I'm gonna trace over it again. there we go. Let's see if I can make it faster. Let's see this time if I can do it even faster. Very nice. Put that away. I'm gonna take my rag, dip it in some water, and time to erase the board. Okay. If you notice, if you erase it, you can erase it following the M. So I was erasing it with my straight line down and my diagonal line and my other straight line. There we go. So now I'm going to go and I'm going to work on my next letter until I'm done with my whole name, okay? So here we go. I think you know what to do. I think you are ready to do it on your own. Yes? Yeah, there's my S, 2 small curves to make the S. Go ahead, work on your name. All right, I finished every single letter in my name. Now it's time for me to practice writing my whole name, okay? So I'm going to be writing my whole name all over my mat with my marker. So maybe I'll write it down here. I'll start. So M, S, period, B, U, U. There we go. I'm going to maybe go down here and make it even bigger. M, S, period, B, U, U. And you know what? I'm gonna turn it sideways. Okay, I'm going to write my name all over this. M, S, B, U, U. I want you to practice writing at least 5 times your name, okay? M, and say the letters. If you don't know the letters in your name, ask a grown-up to help you, okay? And as you're doing this, go ahead and repeat the letters over and over again. M, S, period, B, U, U. I think I have room for more. Ooh, maybe I'll make a big one right here. M, S, period, B, U, U. All right, I think I have room right here. M, S, period, B, U, U. And I've just written my name all over my name mat. Woohoo! Okay, and when you're done with that, make sure you cap your marker very tightly, make that click, and then this is what this sock is for. It's brand new, super clean, so don't worry. Stick your hand inside and you can use it like an eraser, just like this, okay? So clean up your mat, and that's all for today. Bye-bye.